Guys, welcome to the market channel, and in this video we are going to continue with our part 2 of our previous video, which is how to trade futures on Bybit or any other exchange. If you want to start futures trading and you want to learn the basic, you want to learn the technical analysis, you want to learn the fundamental analysis of futures trading, what you need to look out for before going to place trade, so this video is for you. So we have our part 1, and which was posted last week. You can check our channel, and this is the part 2, so which we are going to continue now. So, and before I continue, if you have not subscribed to this channel and are watching this video right now, click on the subscribe button, and don't just subscribe, also don't forget to put on the notification. You can see put on the notification so as to get notified when a new content is uploaded. And so don't forget, help us to smash the like button. We have our Telegram group. You can go ahead and join our Telegram group. You can see there. So let's continue and get started. Put on the notification. So this is our first video that was posted last week, so you can go ahead and check that out. So let's continue. So last week, like I said, we talked about the interface. So today we're talking about we are going to take a little fundamentals, but we might not deep down, but we'll focus more on the technicals. So for the fundamentals analysis, maybe you want to know how to do fundamental analysis. For that one, you need two things. You need a Twitter account, and you can see I have this section of my on Twitter that shows alpha calls, that shows me everything about chart. When a new coin is being launched and is being promoted, you can also just read about the coin. Like this one now, you can decide to read about the coin, CNC staking and the likes. Try to see if it's a good project and how to know if a particular coin is a good project or not. The things to look out for. It will be I would make a video on that, because fundamental analysis, finding a good project is a big thing on its own. So, but to follow up on some project or to check out technical ideas on some things, so you need a Twitter account. So that's one of the tools we use for fundamental analysis. So, and then another tools we go to coinmarket.com. As you can see, coinmarket.com is a very, very good place to find project, to read about the project. Maybe example, click on Bitcoin. You can easily go ahead and read about Bitcoin, what is happening, more information, what's happening, what's it about. Okay, this Bitcoin does not have enough information. Let's just try SRP. So let's go a little bit more info. Let's scroll down. Okay, you can see it here about, you can read about the information, what it's about, exchanging to find it, their Twitter or their handle to find out about it. So you can use CoinMarketCap, but we're also going to be using CoinMarketCap to select coin to analyze for your futures trading. So that is what we're going to be doing with CoinMarketCap this time. So where I am right now is, let's assume you want to start futures trading, and you go to the app, trading app. You saw a lot of coins, and you want to ask yourself, which coin should I analyze, or how do I keep getting coins that I want to move? How do I keep getting tokens that I need to analyze to long or short? So, and the only way to get that, there are many ways to get that. Maybe you are in a group that they drop a particular coin, in which you can just go ahead and analyze the particular coin on your own. That's one. Another is maybe someone told you that, which is sometimes rare if you don't have friends that are into trading. So, but what I do most time, the easiest for me, what I do is just go to CoinMarketCap. Once you get to CoinMarketCap, this is the home page. Go to trending, accept. So go to trending. Once you go to trending, you can see trending in the last 24 hours, trending in 7 days, last 6 hours, and the likes. So I will go to trending. I can do what is trending in the last 7 days. Yeah. So you can see what is trending for the past 7 days. SRP is trending, Dodge is trending, ADA is trending. And when you have a trending coin, it means that people are more focusing on that coin. People are coming to coin market cap to search it. You can also search, look for the most search, most visited. You can see most visited. So you can do that also. But like I said here, so it depends on you. But I also prefer 7 days because I feel that for people, for it to be trending for 7 days, something might be going on underneath. So I can decide to just pick SRP and say, okay, I might pick the top five, pick the top 10, or just top 20, or just pick at random from all these one and analyze them and see if there is opportunity for me to buy or short. Maybe it's opportunity for me to long the market or short the market. So which is that for that. So that is one of the ways I do get coins to long or to short for futures trading. So now since we have gotten coins to long or short for futures trading, so the next question is, how do I get an entry? How do I know when to buy, when to sell? So from our previous uh screen, which is here, SRP. So let's start with SRP. Let's pick up SRP. SRP has been trending for days actually. So it makes sense to find it in the trending aspect. And let's quickly go back. Let's do SRP. SRP derivatives, because derivative in Bybit is what we call futures. Why on Binance? So different exchanges call it different name, but derivative, futures, perpetual is not the same thing. So let's SRP USDT. So this is the chart of SRP USDT. So you can see some moving averages on it. So I will try to remove some settings. Let's go to settings. I don't want to see the moving average indicators, the main indicators. I don't want to see anything on it. Confirm. I don't want to see anything on my chart. I want it empty. Okay, good, good. So let's go back. Yeah, perfect. We have an empty chart right now. So you can see we have an empty chart right now. So you can do it in two ways. So you can try to take your phone. So, but let me try to rotate my phone. Uh, straight. It's Bybit not rotating. Don't whine me. Okay, don't worry. I don't even need to do this. Let me lock it back. So let's just do this. Hmm, sorry. Um, yeah. So I've seen what I'm looking for. So this down part, I also want to remove well, why is Bybit put indicators on my chart? I know it's default. So let me quickly remove the indicator, sorry. So let me ignore the indicators. The secondary indicators, volume, I don't want anything. Hopefully, uh, the RSI is still there and the volume. Okay, tools. Okay, let's just use it like that. But it's very easy whenever I use Binance to remove indicators on the chart. I don't know why Bybit want to stretch me a bit. But don't worry, let's just use it that way. Or let's just use what we have. I will manage. Okay, I've seen it though, sorry. I've seen it. Most time I don't remove it, so I just leave it because I don't analyze my chart on phones. I use system. So that's why. So, but because I know most people don't have system, which is why I want to do this video completely on mobile. So yeah. So now there's one thing you should be very very good at in whenever you are uh analyzing chart technically is multiple time frame analysis. So, but like I said, I'm going to be starting from the basic. So with the basic, where we can start for everyone to understand is market structure. In trading, we have uptrend, we have downtrend. Let me pick a tools here. Trend line, no, not these tools. I think they don't have the tools I wanted, but let me see. They don't have the tools I wanted. But either way, so we have what we call trend line. We have what we call uptrend, like this now. When market is moving from here, from here to up to this point, the market is in an uptrend. You can see that market is in an uptrend. So that's an uptrend. Downtrend, let me find a downtrend for you. Yeah. So you see market moving from here to here. So that's a downtrend. You can see it's facing down. And look at the other one I showed you guys is facing up. I know that Bybit don't have a lot of tools like trading view that I do use to show you some stuff, but I will still manage what we have here. Like I said, let's assume we are faced with these same tools to analyze the market. So that's downtrend. So you need to, first of all, you need to know when the market is in an uptrend and when the market is in a downtrend. And how do you know if the market is in an uptrend? When the price keeps breaking up, it keeps doing higher high, maybe the price pushed down a little bit, but the price went ahead and break the previous high, and then maybe price pushed down a little bit again and still went ahead and still break the previous high. At this point, this is what we call higher high, higher low, because the price keeps creating a new high. Whenever you see price or the chart or the candlestick keeps creating a new high like this, you see that I drew on the chart, that is an uptrend. But whenever you see the price, maybe it keeps making a new low. So let's use that. Maybe the price broke the previous low and keeps making a new one. That is what a downtrend. So this is an example of a downtrend. You can see a price keeps facing down. It keeps going down. That's a downtrend. So this is an uptrend. So and this is the downtrend. So price was creating a higher high and price is creating lower low. So the uptrend will keep having higher high, higher low, while the downtrend keep having lower high and lower low. So you can see price keeps going down for downtrend and price keeps going up for uptrend. It's very easy when you draw it to say, this is very clear. Whenever you draw it, that is uptrend, and this is downtrend. But whenever you are on the chart, it will not be very difficult for you to spot when it's an uptrend or a downtrend. But in this video, before I end this video today, I'm going to help you to spot an uptrend and a downtrend. So let's quickly delete this and let's quickly go into identifying a valid uptrend and a valid downtrend. So because for you to be very good with technicals and analyzing the market, you must know which one is an uptrend. You must know if the market is in a downtrend, because you must always play along with the trend. So you must always play along with the trend. You don't want to ever play against the trend, because follows the money, that's the road. And where is money following to or flowing to? The money is flowing to wherever the market is trending to. So let's quickly start with this. I want to pick it from a down part. Let me see. Okay, let's just manage it from here. Oh, don't worry, just manage it from here. This is 12 hours. Let me see. They can do 4 hours. Yeah. So let me just do it from here. So if you look at this here, price move from this down part and move to this point. Then price, what did price do again? price push down a little bit, and then price push up again. If you look at it, price keep breaking higher high, it break that previous high, price push down a little big again. We keep looking at it, then from there price make a new high. As you can see, price push down again. As you can see, price what push up again to this high. As you can see, price made a little retracement here to that red area, then price push up. So the question now is, on 4 hour, where is the last range? The last range that we had where price turned into is this area. So this area is the last range. So as you can see, so let me delete this. Let me use this instead. So that area, this low, that area was the last low that price tapped into and then bounce off again to break the previous high at that area. So that's the last low. Until price break this low on 4 hours time frame, the 4 hour is still bullish. If price, as you can see so far on 4 hour, price has not broken that low, as you can see, the candlestick has not crossed below it. So since the candlestick have not crossed below it, the price is still in an uptrend. Until candlestick cross below this line and ended above, then we can say we are now in a downtrend on 4 hour. So currently the current trend of SRP is uptrend on 4 hour. Don't forget, trend changes on different time frame. We can go to 1 hour now and might be bearish. So but currently on 4 hour is uptrend. So let's keep that one in mind. So let's now identify a downtrend. So because in everything we have major structure, we have minor structure. So major structure is basically, well, it's just like a, okay, let me use this last point. So this is a major structure, this is a major high, this is one major high, and this is one major low, and this is one major low. So between that area that we have, so between that major high identify and between that major low, between that area, that whole range, that is whatever that happens inside is called minor structure. So but that high I identify, this one is a major high and this one is a major low. So another major high, another major low is this is another major low, and this is another major high, this is another major high, and whatever that happens between that high and this low, do you understand? Sorry, and this is another major low. So whatever happens between this high and this high here and this low here is what we call in between, is what we call minor structure. And this is another major high and this is another major low. So whatever that happens in between this area is what we call minor structure. So the minor structure might be bearish, but the major structure is still bullish. So the major structure of 4 hour time frame of SRP is still bullish, but the minor structure, when you check the in between, it might look bearish. So but whatever you do, make sure you play along with the major structure. So trade along with the major structure, that's the most important thing. So let me quickly delete this. Let me try to show you a downtrend, and then we'll try to end this video today. So we wait for another episode in between the week. So yep, let me use this part, or yep, let me just use this. Let me use this area. We look at it, we have this high, price created this new high, price pushed down. So this was the last low we had, so price needs to break it to bearish. So price pushed down to this area, as you can see. So this is not a valid range, so I will say that price still pushed down to this area, as you can see, and then push up to this area, as you can see, and then price pushed down from here and push down again, as you can see. So if you look at it, Yeah, keep having lower low and lower high. And the question now is, this is a downtrend. If you look at it, the major structure, so this is the previous high, you look at it, and this is the new low. So whatever that happens in between this high and this low is called minor structure. So if you look at it again, this is another high and this is another low. So whatever that happens in between this high and this low is what we call minor structure. You can see some bearish movement between the two. You can see price going up from here, going up a little bit, tap into this high, and then coming down again. You can see a lot of things happening between that major low and major high. So that's what we call minor structure. So until that major structure is broken or rejected from, that is when you can make decision. That's why I always say that trade along with the major structure, which is very, very important for you. So we continue from here next week or this week in that way. So if you like our video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. God bless you, guys.